Hey people! For those who are new here, I am Jelai. I make videos that I can explore my capabilities. In this video, let us explore the mid-range to luxury apartments here in Cairo. Hey people! So this is what a $160 apartment look like in Cairo. So this is the entrance. When you go into the entrance, you will go straight into our living area, and the sofa is provided. The single sofa, we put it in each other's bedroom, and you get to have a two-door fridge. They provide you that, and also this small table that we put in our other stuff, so it will not be messy to be looking at. And this is what the kitchen looks like. So not all the things that you are seeing here are provided by the owner or the landlord. This small cabinet is provided, and also this one, and this oven is pretty much outdated, but you can still use it. But the good thing about this flat that they have provided an updated washing machine, an automatic one, which is a very useful thing and not bad for price of $160 for this flat. And toaster, it's not provided. This table also not provided. So when we move here, this is the toilet. You get a sink, and the good thing is you have an hot and cold shower, which is a pretty good thing because Egypt has two weather, which is the summer and the winter. And the toilet, the seat cover, we changed that. That's our seat cover, toilet seat cover. And then this flat has two bedroom. This one, as you can see, the electric fan is not provided. This cabinet is provided in the flat, and this is the other single sofa that I told you. It's provided here in the flat. The bed is provided, and also the mattress. For clean purposes, what we do with the mattress, since we don't know who lay down on it, is we put a lot of cover underneath. And this bed, actually, you can put some luggage or other stuff underneath that you don't usually use, so it's nice for space. If you can take a look, you will just have to put up those woods, and there's a pretty large space that you can put your other stuff. And here is what you can see as the master's bedroom. They provided you a big closet. This closet is actually an old style closet or cabinet here in Egypt, but it is good because you get to put a lot of spaces, especially during winter. The blankets or the quilts that are heavy and big, you can put them. And then the TV is not actually provided. This big bed is provided, and this flat also has a ceiling fan that you can use during winter, but that AC is ours, so it's not provided here in the flat. And this flat also has a balcony where you can see it's very dusty because you're in Egypt. You can also put your other stuff in here. And the hard thing is we are actually near So we are actually beside a busy street, as you can see here. So I won't be able to show you much. So that's in front of the school. So yeah guys, for a $160 apartment, this is already a good deal because the place is renovated and basic appliances are included, and this is also near the main terminal transportation going to different parts of Cairo, and this is also near a pharmacy which is only beside the building, and also there is a near wet and dry locals market that you can buy vegetables or chicken, fish, and what else? The electricity is already included in the payment, and safety. This building is a gated building, so it's actually safe. Nobody can enter right away. And the gas where you use for cooking, since Egypt has a natural gas, this building has already been equipped with a straight gas, so you don't need to buy a tank every time you run out of gas for cooking. So that's a pretty good deal, and as well as a gas heater, which is also good for, as I told you in the video, that there is a hot and cold shower that is very useful during winter and summer. And what I actually don't like about the place is it's noisy, since it is we are beside a main street that a lot of tuk-tuk or people are passing through. And the Wi-Fi is not included in the payment, and the telephone bill also is not included. You will have to pay for that for your own. And what else? The water. We don't drink just for washing. We don't drink the tap water because it's not safe for what I know, even though some of the houses have their own faucet, for filtered faucet, but I'm not confident enough that it is safe, so we buy our own water for drinking. And the place is actually crowded, but it's still safe. You will just have to ignore people who are sometimes calling you names. So that's it. That's the deal for a $160 apartment here in Cairo. Let's go now and check what a luxury apartment here in Cairo.
Hey people, so from a apartment that is ranging from $2,000 to $2,500, this is what you will get. The appliances that you will see here are mostly included in the house, and this is actually fully furnished apartment. So you have a balcony. You can grill some steaks. They also provide you a wine cabinet, a cabinet for other stuff, a half bathroom with an exhaust, and a full-size kitchen. The fridge is included, and 2 sinks, and also the oven, which is an updated oven, and a lot of cabinets and space that you can use for your stuff or things for cooking. You have a very spacious walkway and the middle room, which you can turn into a TV room or a computer room. That shelf is provided, and all air condition in the flat is provided by the owner. You also get to have a room for the laundry, which is a good thing because they provide you also a dryer, which you don't need to hang your clothes. And this flat has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. They provide you a heater for the cold winter. There you go. And a nice faucet and full-size mirror. And you can use this room for your children. They have also installed cabinets, which are big size cabinets for your other stuff. And another bedroom for a guest room that you can turn into, or another if you have another kid that you have. And then the main or master bedroom, which has also a full size bathroom with hot and cold shower. Both full size bathroom has a bathtub and a spacious room to sleep in, and full size cabinet also. And you also have this extra storage space which you can put in your other stuff.
So that's what you get for a luxury apartment. You get more space, more appliances are provided, and safety. That building has a CCTV and a security, and also a man who does the cleaning of outside of your building, and who takes your own trash. And the place is not noisy because there are no people or cars that is passing by, and you won't actually hear some of your neighbors. So for that space, you can have some guests who can sleep over, and you can have big parties. And when you're cooking, you won't get suffocated because the ventilation is very spacious. So that's it, guys. That's what you get for $160 versus a 2,000 to 2,500 luxury apartment here in Cairo. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and please do subscribe to my channel. It will really help me a lot. And have a good day. Bye.